客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hello everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and Luo Yingying is an experienced Hakka singer-songwriter making her debut about 36 years ago. She loves blending in Hakka cultural folk music with popular mainstream tunes for bittersweet melodies bleeding with nostalgia, like this song called Moving House or 转屋啦, depicting an era of childhood rife with memories of the beautiful countryside and warmth, and urging the listener to return back home. Let's take a listen.
講下想起少年嘅烏鴉，捱烏鴉在嘅青煙嘅山下，木背嘅搖嘅花，還有青開嘅颱風花，轉屋啦，轉起少年嘅烏鴉，南風吹面到聲音嘅世界。 在依啦，愛嘅無價；在依啦，愛嘅故鄉，還有滿山野花香，有土地嘅芬芳，愛無價，亦是野鄉嘅故鄉。 聲音嘅世界，還記得快樂有你路頭吧，高水嘅意思頭，按不也強下逐風煙中，轉屋啦，在異鄉內嘅屋家。
常年从事客家歌曲教唱的资深歌手罗茵茵出道36年，而她喜欢融合客家山歌小调与流行歌曲，唱出一首首对故乡、对爱人又苦又甜的思念之歌。这首《转屋啦，转屋啦》歌词描写无忧的童年时光和美丽的故乡风景，弦乐编曲增添暖意，也烘托出浓浓乡愁。I believe if you're living away from home, you can relate to this song even more. Again, that is Luo Yingying with another Hakka song on ICRT. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.